Here's why you need to stop doubting and start earning. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I just thought about doing this video, right? This is kind of like a little rant thing. Why am I doing this video? Because I put out a lot of content. You know what I mean? If you on my channel, you know I put out a lot of content. And I get questions a lot as well, all right? Some good questions, you know what I'm saying? Some decent questions. But some questions I get, it just make me feel like you don't really want to make money online, do you? You must just be bored. Because I see so many people that if they just took action instead of questioning everything, instead of doubting everything, they would be making the money that they claim that they want to make. Because if you don't believe by now that it is possible to make money online, if you don't believe it now, then you're never going to believe it. If you don't believe it's possible to make $1,000 extra a month or $5,000, $10,000 a month, first of all, if you don't believe it's possible, why are you even searching for ways to do it? So many people, like I talk about different opportunities and they'll ask me questions like, all right, so, you know, can I really make this amount of money? And my thought is, can you? I mean, like, can you? You know what I'm saying? Well, okay, is this legit? All right, I get it. Some people are scammers here and there, whatever. But like, I'm not gonna put out thousands of videos talking about opportunities that are complete scams that don't work, right? Like that's just, I mean, I guess people do it, but come on now. So people ask me like, is this legit? Can I really make money? Or, you know, well, I might join. I'm thinking about joining this. I'm like, all right, you know what I'm saying? But you could just be, you know, making money. You know what I mean? Like you can start the process. If you are interested in whatever it is, I ain't even talking about things that I just offer or talk about. I'm like, if you're into drop shipping or you're into real estate, whatever, so many people act interested in something, in a way to make all this money they want to make, right? But when it's time to actually take action, they'll create all of these scenarios to stop them from actually doing anything, right? It's like, oh yeah, I want to get into real estate, right? But then as soon as you see a video that talks about, oh shit, you gotta put down $500, or you got to read this manual to learn all of these different rules and regulations, right? You instantly like, oh shit, it's not what I thought. Nah, this ain't really for me. This probably ain't even real. This ain't gonna work. This can't work. You know what I'm saying? Really what you're saying is, I don't feel like investing any money in this opportunity, or you're saying, I don't really feel like putting in any effort with this opportunity. That's what most people are saying when they ask all of these questions, because I see this all the time and it's frustrating because I'm like none of this shit honestly is complicated. Whether it be drop shipping, let me tell you something. Drop shipping, the truth is you find distributors for products that you buy cheap and you resell them. That's it. That's drop shipping. You know what I'm saying? But what happens is people like the idea of that because they see all these people promoting like, oh, I make $30,000 a month from my Shopify store, right? So people like, hell yeah, I want to do that, right? But what they miss is all the shit that goes involved with it. Finding products, finding the right distributors, that could be a headache, right? Actually putting together your store. You got to actually put your listings on Shopify and have the right descriptions, have the right pricing, right? That right there stops a lot of people, because instead of those people actually doing that, what they'll do is start doubting drop shipping. Now when it's time for them to actually take action, that's when they're like, well, you know what, man, drop shipping, that shit, the products probably ain't even real. You know what I'm saying? Or this shit you can't really make money. Matter of fact, the people that was talking about drop shipping, man, they scammers. All because you don't want to do shit. So you just start doubting it, right? And it gives people that justification of why they didn't do something. Oh yeah, I wanted to do real estate, but yeah, that shit was a scam. That course I got that shit was a scam. You know what I mean? Like I would have did it too, You know what I'm saying? But I just didn't believe the creator. I didn't believe what he was saying. Like, come on, man. Like, people are actually out here making money. A lot of people just don't understand the grind that is connected to it. Because keeping it all the way real, there is way too many opportunities out here for people to be sitting back doubting every damn thing that's out there and not making the money that they want to make. So if you really trying to be successful online and whatever you're trying to do online, you need to stop doubting and start earning.